Been playing for so long, aren't you tired? Let me recharge you for a bit. Does your dog get bored at home and love to chew things up? Get them a Smart Dog Play Ball. It runs, chases and moves unpredictably, keeping your pup's attention non-stop. Dogs go crazy with curiosity over it. They try to catch it, but it keeps escaping. 5 minutes of play, it auto-pauses, but restarts as soon as your dog touches it. Made of durable silicone, chew-proof and bite-resistant. Type-C charging port. No batteries needed. Just recharge and play for days. Thus, it avoids obstacles on its own. Even if it rolls into a corner, it'll find its way out. And guess what? It's only a few bucks. No more worrying about your dog getting bored or destroying your home.